Hi, love. Listen to that beautiful bird song, Sim. It's a beautiful day. There she is, lying amongst the Egyptian onions, squishing them, lying by the lovage. Oh my God. Oh, look. See, they form these things on the top, and that's going to bend down eventually, and it's going to make more babies. Yeah. Fortunately, these are all going to get dug out because they're going to have to move. But for now, they're fantastic. And the greens, yeah, delicious. All right, Sim, I'm going to let you sleep. You can see the tops of them. All those are going to bend over, and they're going to make more plants. So if you have a chance to get some Egyptian walking onions, consider it. They're an early spring onion, and they are delicious.